Hello my dear students, this is Pushpa Varatharajan. In this video, you are going to learn about how to find two rational numbers in between two rational numbers. This is the second part of the first chapter for class 8th rational number. Already you know a rational number is one which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Denominator cannot be 0. That means all fractions are rational numbers. Because it is there already in the form of p by q, that is 2 by 3, 7 by 8, all are there in the form of numerator and denominator. And all integers are rational numbers because minus 7 can be written as minus 7 by 1, 10 can be written as 10 by 1, 0 can be written as 0 by 1, but 1 by 0 is not defined in maths. It is not there in maths. Now there are two methods. In the last video, you have learned the first method, that is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. What did you do? You multiplied both numerator and denominator by the same number. I will multiply by 5 by 5. Here I will multiply by 3 by 3. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Now you could find one rational number between these two. That is, after 10 it is 11 by 15. Therefore, I will multiply both by 10. What happens? 10 tens are 100. It is 15 tens are 150. Here it is 120 by 150. Here you can find 19 rational numbers in between these two. After 101, 102, 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150, like that you can find till 119 by 150. Now if you multiply both by 5 by 5, if I multiply by 5 by 5, you will get 10 5s are 50 and 15 5s are 75. It is 60. Here it is 15 5s are 75. Here you can find out 9 rational numbers. How it is? That is 51 by 75, 52 by 75, 53 by 75. Like that you can write 59 by 75. By multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, you can find out the required number of rational numbers. And this is a very easy method, and you can find the answer within 2 steps here. But there is one more method, that is adding these two numbers and these two rational numbers and dividing by 2. That is other method. Though it is a long method, you have to learn it because this method is useful. It is required for the higher class maths. See, always in maths, whatever you learn in the previous class, that you have to use it in the next class. That is applicable for some some sums or the other. Therefore, you have to learn this method also. Now, this is little long method, that is 2 by 3 and x. Now, x is a rational number. X is a rational numbers which comes in between these two rational numbers. For this, what you will do? First, you have to add these two and divide it by 2. That means x equal to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 divided by 2. See, to do this, you should know addition of fraction very well. If you don't know addition of fraction, you cannot do it. Therefore, you should know how to add two fractions. Now, to add this, LCM of 3 and 5, it is 15. Here 3 and 5, no, they are co-prime numbers. They don't have any common factor. Therefore, the LCM of these two is 15. Now 15 you divide by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are, therefore it is 5 into 2. And then here plus 5 3s are. 5 3s are, therefore it is 3 into 4 divided by 2. Now it is 5 2s are 10, 3 4s are 12 by 15. And you know that division is the reciprocal of multiplication. Therefore, you have to write the reciprocal. It will become into and it will become half. That means half 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 by 15 into half. That is 22. If you divide it, you will get 2 11s are, therefore 11 by 15. Now 11 by 15 is a rational number which comes between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now you can find out one more rational number between these two. And now again you multiply, you have to find out one rational number in between these two. Now P is equal to half into, you have to add these two, that is 2 by 3 plus 11 by 15. 2 by 3 plus 11 by 15, that will become what? Half into. Half means you are dividing these two by 2. Now 3 into 15, LCM is 15. And 3 5s are, 3 5s are and 5 2s are 10 here. 15 1s are, 1 into 11 is 11. Here I have done it directly because you know already how to add 2 by 3 and 11 by 15 is equal to half into 21 by 15, that is 21 by 30. Now in between these two you got 21 by 30. Next is Q. Half into 11 by 15 plus 4 by 5. You have to add these two and divide it by 2, that is half into, and here LCM is again 15, 3 and 5, and then 15 ones are 1 into 11 plus 5 3s are 3 4s are 12. That is half into 22 by 15, half into 23. It is 23 by 15. It is 23 by 30. Now, what are the rational number which comes in between these two? Now it is 2 by 3 less than. Now what number you got? 21 by 30. You got 21 by 30. Then it was 11 by 15. 11 by 15. And then it is 23 by 30. 23 by 30 less than 4 by 5. Now, how many rational numbers you have got here? You got now 3 rational numbers. How many they have asked? They have asked 5. Therefore, again add these two. And then here also again add these two and divide it by 2. Now here you have taken P and Q. And now we will take it as this as Y and this as Z. Any variable you can take. Now here it is Y is equal to, you have to add these two and divide it by 2. That is half into 2 by 3 plus 21 by 30. That is half into 3 and 30. LCM is 30. You should know how to do LCM that orally, because you are in 8th standard. By this time you should know how to find LCM easily. Now 3 into 30, LCM is 30. Now here 30 here, and then 3 tens are, therefore 10 twos are 20 here, and 30 ones are, and 1 into 21 is 21. Therefore, it is 41. 30 into 2 is 60 here. And the Z is equal to half into here 23 by 30 plus 4 by 5. See, 23 by 30 plus 4 by 5. Therefore, half into LCM is 30. 31s are, that is 1 into 23 is 23. 5 6 are, 6 fours are 24. Then it will become half into 23. 47 by 30 is equal to 47 by 60. Now, what was the first number? It was 23. And then between these two you have 41 by 60, and then here what it is, 41 by 60. Here what did you get? First you had got 11 by, here between these two you had got 11 by 15, and one more number also. Totally 5 you have found already, and last number was 4 by 5. So it is 2 by 3. Then between these two 41 by 60, then 21 by 30. It is 21 by 30. Again it was 11 by 15. It was 11 by 15, and then after 11 by 15 it was 23 by 30, and here 47 by 60 less than 4 by 5. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, though it is a lengthy method, if they don't ask which method you have to use, you can use the first method where you multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. But you have to learn this method also, because in the higher class to do a few sums, this method is also required, because how to find a rational number between two rational numbers. For that, what did you do? You added these two numbers. You have added these two numbers and divided by 2. That is, divide by 2. And division, if you want to convert into multiplication, that will become 1 by 2. Therefore, half into 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5, you got 11 by 15. And then what did you do? You have to find 11 by 15, you got one rational number. Therefore, this P is the rational number which comes in between these two, and Q is a rational number comes in between these two. Then what you will do to find P? Add these two numbers, divide by 2. And then to find Q, add these two rational number and divide it by 2, and you got these two rational numbers. Then you got 1, 2, 3. Now you wanted how many? You wanted 5 rational number. Therefore, add these two. The method is the same. See, you should know the method, and then division and multiplication you will be keep doing. And then you will add these two, and you will get 5. And then you add these two and divide it by half. Then you will get this number. Now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational number you got in between these two rational numbers. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and practice the sum every day. Then easily you will learn. Learning the concept is more important than doing so many sums. Thank you for watching.